Rules in delta selection. The delta may not be located at bifurcation which does not open towards in the core. Rule number 2. When there is a choice between a bifurcation and another type of delta, the bifurcation selected. Rule number 3. If there are series of bifurcation opening towards the core, equally close to the point of divergence of the type lines, the delta nearest to the core shall be selected. Rule number 4. When there are two or more possible deltas which conforms to the definition, the one nearest at the core is chosen. Rule number 5. The delta may not be located in the middle of the ridge running between the type lines towards the core, but at the nearest end only. Rules in core location. Rule number 1. The core is placed upon or within the innermost sufficient recurve. Rule number 2. When the innermost sufficient recurve contains no ending ridges or rod rising as high as the shoulder of the loop, the core is placed on the shoulder of the loop, farther from the delta. Rule number 3. When the innermost sufficient recurve contains an uneven number of rods rising as high as a shoulder, the core is placed upon the end of the center rod, whether it touches the looping ridges or not. Rule number 4. When the innermost sufficient recurve contains an even number of the rod rising as high as the shoulder, the core is placed upon the end of the farther one of the two center rods, the two center rods being treated as though they were connected by recurving ridges.